Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. We are doing something a little different today. I say we because my husband is actually going to be the cook today. We came across something at Sam's that is so good. Let me lift it up right here. It's called Chef Shamy Garlic Butter with Parmesan cheese and basil. And they had another flavor too. You remember what the flavor was? Garlic and something else. But anyway, oh, garlic and green onion, something like that. Oh my goodness, y'all, it was so good. Of course, they was doing those demos at Sam's. And anyway, let me explain what he's doing. He just put some of the garlic butter in the pan, and he let it melt, and he sopped this first piece of bread up and quickly took it out because he's going to be flipping it in a second. So put more garlic butter in. Say that's about total a teaspoon, maybe? Yeah, about a teaspoon. So it's putting the second one in and sopping it up. Y'all, if I had smell-o-vision, what they be saying on those cooking shows, oh my goodness, the smell will sell you first. And then we got a chance to taste it, of course, and they were so good. He was making grilled cheese, but you can use this on so many recipes, and it has a list of things you can make. So anyway, he put the cheese on the bread, then the second piece of bread on top that he had already sopped up, as you saw. And he's gonna let that kind of toast a little bit. And he's gonna flip it when it gets a little brown. You don't like to be on camera.
Yeah. It's not a quick process.
Yeah. It's quick enough though. It's pretty quick. You want something quick? See, it's just golden brown. And the other day, we made one basically just like this, except we put 2 slices of thin turkey, that thinly sliced turkey lunch meat. I think it was like the honey glaze, something or another. But you can put any lunch meat on you want if you want to add lunch meat to your sandwich. But this is just the basic grilled cheese. But the other day we added that thin sliced turkey, y'all. It was so good. And my picky, I say picky, non-picky. It's funny what he picky about and not picky about, but him there, Isaiah loved it. He thought it was really good. So I knew that we had a winner on our hands. So just oh shoot!
Something for the people.
Something for the people, all right. So anyway, it's ready. It is ready. And like I said, if y'all could smell it, if you could smell it, oh Lord, that y'all get away from it. But oh my goodness, you know, I've made a lot of things on this channel, and I don't think I've ever commented on the smell, although my kitchen be smelling up good when I'm cooking, of course. But this, you all have got to taste it. Here we go. It is so good, y'all. My husband is going to be my person today. He's going to be showing y'all how to make it. But anyway, he just put like a tablespoon or a little less of the garlic butter in the skillet. And he put the first slice here already. And he just lightly toasted it, maybe for a couple seconds, just to sop up the garlic butter. He did it again, put another teaspoon or less in the pan, and put the second piece of bread down. Then he put his cheese. He uses 2 pieces of cheese. I usually use 1, but he uses 2. So he puts the cheese on top of the bread, and then he put 2 slices of thin turkey meat, and then another piece of cheese, and then the first piece of garlic buttered bread that he had sauteed a little bit. So he's gonna let it brown just a little bit. It browns quick the second time.
Turned it off.
Oh, okay. And so it is ready to flip. It's golden brown. Y'all, this is so good. So good. say he's not flipping this one. Flip the last.
Got bologna in between it, man.
Okay. So the first one he made was just regular grilled cheese. I think I'm gonna leave both tutorials in this video, so you might hear a couple of things that I've repeated. But this is the second sandwich with the lunch meat on it. And it is so very good. And like I said before, y'all just go to, I think it's chefshamy.com, and you can see the uses that they have for it as far as what you can use it on, different recipes you can use it with. And yeah, try it. Look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness, y'all should smell. Y'all should smell it in here. It's so, smells so good. If you have a Sam's near you, go get this Chef Shamy garlic butter. The guy that was there, he was I don't think he was the owner, but he was like a franchise owner. So he was trying to get it to be sold in that particular Sam's. So there's 2 other Sam's I think in our area, but they're some miles away from us. They're in our city, but they're far away. But this Sam's that was close to us, he was trying to get it in the Sam's. So you guys, try it if you can. See if they have it at your local Sam's, and let me know if you like it. Alright, so that was a little tutorial on the garlic butter grilled cheese. Scrumptious. And I'll probably be making some other stuff with it. You can make shrimp, scampi. I mean, season some of your vegetables with it, maybe asparagus and stuff like that. But online, I think it's chefshamy.com. They have a list of recipes and things you can use. So anyway, there it is. Get you some as soon as you can. Look up chefshamy.com and see if they got one near you. All right, guys. See ya.